Hi everyone. Today I will share amazing high protein chickpea salad. It's wonderful and simple yet delicious recipe. And as usual, I have my secret trick which makes this protein packed salad taste better than chutpati chat. Let's get started. We are using boiled chickpeas which turn around 2 cup after boiling, 1 cup paneer, small or you can say half cup each of finely chopped onion, tomato, cucumber and fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, quarter teaspoon black salt, normal salt per taste, and here is my secret ingredient, homemade sweet and sour tamarind sauce. I have another video on how to make this tamarind sauce. You can find the link on the top of this video or in the description below. You can use store-bought sauce but make sure it's not too thin. Soak 1 cup of chickpeas overnight or at least for 6 hours. Pressure cook this for 1 vessel at medium flame. You don't want chickpeas to be overcooked as they become mushy. In a pan, add half teaspoon of oil and slightly roast the paneer. It will give nice flavor. If you like, you can skip it. Drain paneer on the tissue paper. It will absorb even the little bit of oil you have used. Take a big bowl and add chickpeas. Add roasted paneer. Add 2 teaspoons of tamarind sauce. Mine is really thick and nice. You can adjust as per your taste. Mix it well. It looks like I need 1 more teaspoon of tamarind sauce. So in total I have added 3 teaspoons. Add finely chopped onion. Add finely chopped tomato. Add finely chopped cucumber. Add fresh coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, quarter teaspoon black salt, little bit of salt. Give it a good mix. Our protein-rich chickpea salad is ready and it is looking super yummy. It tastes even better if you refrigerate it for 5 to 10 minutes and serve it cold. If you want light lunch or dinner, it's a must try. Both chickpeas and paneer are high in protein and all other ingredients are also very healthy. I will appreciate if you take a minute to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.